How to change suggested reels on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find the font option. Navigate to the Reels tab. Once you're over here, scrolling down, you're gonna find different reels. Now you can head towards any of the reel that you are not interested in. At the right corner of each reel, you're gonna find 3 dots. Click on that. Then click on the option of not interested. You can select any of these options. Likewise, in case you are interested in any of the reel, what you can do is click on 3 dots and select the option of interested. Now slowly Instagram will analyze your algorithm and it's gonna show you only the reels that you are interested in, and you'll see less of those kind of videos that you have set as not interested. So this way you can change suggested reels on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.